Thank you, Lord, for my 49th birthday. Another year of my life. This is my simple celebration of my 49th birthday. Ayan, ang oregano hindi mawawala. It's a sheep heart. Look guys, talagang ginawa ko siya yan. Sheep heart siya. Different kinds of fruits. Watermelon. And melons din. Hawak kung ano pa rin yan. Cucumbers and cheese, grapes at tomatoes. Yan lang ang aking simpleng celebration. Basta my heart, okay na ako. Doon kami with grandma. Kami ang bibisita kay Uma. This is our lunch. At syempre may tinapay. Yun lang. Simpleng celebration talaga. Thank you for watching. Hello, Best Cat Dad.
Ever and best cat mom ever. Meow meow and happy birthday.
Thank you, Men's Cat.
Meow.
Meow, meow, meow. Talagang meow, meow. They said,
By the way, there are 2 cats on both t-shirts because we have 2 cats.
hello, meow, meow. She don't like.
Meow.
Thank you for the t-shirt, honey. This is the best t-shirt gift.
And I can also prove she's the best Asava ever.
Noknis.
Hast du einen Begriff?
Ja, das habe ich gelesen.
Okay, das gehört ziemlich viel auf.
Celebration with my family. Alles gut. Let's eat, Uma. Come here. That is for this. Thank you so much. These beautiful flowers from my sister-in-law. And to my friends and also her birthday today. Thank you for this beautiful and very cute gift just for you. Ich hab's gut, hab is this. And a beautiful message, nice message. Herrlichen Glückwunsch. Basahin natin. Juicy, happy birthday. I wanted to thank you for the friendship. And thank you for always listening to me, to all my dramas in life. I thank God that I found you. You're one of a kind. Stay as you are, Mary Ann. Thank you so much, Ann. You're so sweet. And thank you for the good friendship. And happy birthday also. It's her birthday today. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Thank you for meow meow.